Trade recap. We caught a dub today. Um, Honestly, coming into the market, it didn't look too good. But yeah, we found a nice little trade. Basically, we was looking at this hourly gap was kind of open, but we was not in a good place to long to it. Um, because there was no structure to long from, basically. Um, I believe we had like this low. Yeah, this low lined up at the pre-market low as well, uh, here. So coming into the market, I had this gap marked. We respected it and dumped lower, so had this marked, and we can see that as we came up, we displaced out. Honestly, you could have got an entry there. Um, a little one-to-one there. Only reason I didn't take that is because one is literally 1 minute into the open, and we've got loads of 5 minute gaps. However, because we was displacing out of the M15, we kind of could have taken this trade, because these M5s aren't as valuable as M15. But I didn't take it. It was 1 minute into the open. It played out literally in one candle on ES. You would have got a one-to-one. Uh, there. You'd have got a one-to-one literally in like one candle. Um, so what did we do? So we took this low, but this low isn't anything external. Like this isn't major. The next major low that we have is this low. See, it's prominent. So for me, I was still bearish because we're displacing out of the M15. There's no bullish structure to long from. Um, and yeah, so what we did was obviously we displaced out, made a 5 minute gap. We came in, and this is where it was on the 1 minute. Now here, I had the short position up, monitoring uh like you know the the risk, and seeing this displacement was not good enough. Then this candle came in. That's two candles respecting this 1 minute gap. So for me, I said to the guys, I think we'll use this to retweak the high, which we did. Now, as we was pumping up, honestly, I was thinking we're going to be. I'm not going to long because there's nothing to long from higher time frame, but I just probably won't trade. However, when this candle closed, the 5 minute closes respect, and then we got one displacement. Now, following the pattern of this, we respected this and went higher. We wanted to see this get inversed, and what did we do? We did. We saw that get inversed. We took a short here. Um, Wait, how did? Oh, so we must have got filled on the yeah. So as we come up, I got filled. Um, Honestly, a fat stop, but I couldn't really put it anywhere else. Could have put it there, but I just put it at the high. And then we tanked lower. ES was actually lagging for once. Like ES was the one that's behind. So when we took this low, we didn't have S&T, but we did go break even. And I can't lie, I know this candle looks like it was like a strong candle through the low, but we had this candle that got us break even, and then this candle was kind of just stalling round. So I just closed my trade for $89. There we go. And then obviously we hit that in the next candle. So, could it hold? I didn't really like how the candle was kind of chopping, but ultimately I should have held, if I'm being honest. Like in back testing, I would have held this obviously because it would have just gone break even. This candle would have come through and I'd have kept playing it out. But live, I've taken I don't want to say I've taken two losses because I've technically had so that was a winning idea. This was a winning idea. This was a loss, and this was a winning idea. So technically, I've had three winning ideas, but obviously I've lost on the first one because we was over leveraged and we wanted to control our risk. We didn't risk. We literally risked one micro, hence the small gain. But honestly, I'm not trying to like. If I've lost 149, I'm not trying to risk more than that on the next trade because I don't want to stack that up. So I literally just put one con on, um, and yeah, I'm happy with this trade idea. You know, we hit this low and the other low I was talking about. I wanted to play it a bit more safe because I just want to get back some of the L that I took in the week if it was A plus, and it was. I didn't want to be greedy, and yeah, we probably have only made an extra like I don't know 20, $30. So I'm not too fast. I mean, when you compare it, this is 89. This is about how many points? So we got filled. So we caught 45 points, and we could have had 66. So only like another 10, 15 points, which I'm not really fast. We've had three winning ideas, and now we're kind of just stalling at this low as expected. So yeah, it's good to end the week green to get that momentum back. We've, uh, you know, technically speaking, two losses, two wins. I know this loss is bigger than this win, but you know, we didn't want to risk too heavy, especially on a Friday where it doesn't look too good. Regardless, we didn't trade yesterday. It was very well disciplined, and now we're in a good spot. We only need 480. So if we see A plus, then next week, well, I don't even know if I'll be trading next week, but yeah, I mean, look at the drawdown, 888. That's an angel number right there. But yeah, no, I'm happy with today. I'm happy with this reading as well. Um, and yeah, if I've got any more comments, I'll probably make another video. But yeah, that's me done.